Hello everyone, here is your quick and clear weekly update on the Indian stock market. The stock market ended on a negative note for this week. The Nifty 50 down by 532.65 points, closing at 23,643.50. The BSE Sensex down by 2,090.20 points, closing at 75,237.99. And the Nifty Bank down by 1,600.20 points, closing at 53,710.35. Among the Nifty sectorial indices, Pharma, Healthcare Index and Metal closed in the green, while all other sectors ended in the red. The Nifty 50 recorded negative participation with 17 advances, 33 declines. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Adani Enterprises, ONGC, Cipla, Tata Consumers and Bharati Airtel. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Titan, Shriram Finance, Reliance, Jio Financial Services and Tech Mahindra. On the investment side, domestic institutional investors recorded net inflow of 16,968.53 crore, whereas foreign institutional investors recorded net outflow of 12,439.04 crore. Here is a brief overview of this week's market news. Some of the Nifty 50 companies announced their financial year 2026 results this week, with the list including Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Cipla, Bharati Airtel, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles and JSW Steel. Tata Consumer Products will invest 160 crore to build a new 2,000 metric tons instant tea plant in India, which is expected to become operational within 2 years. Indigo and jewellery stocks fell after PM Narendra Modi advised citizens to reduce fuel use, avoid unnecessary foreign travel and delay gold purchases amid rising crude prices and the ongoing West Asia conflict. TCS and Resolve AI have partnered to launch AI-driven agentic commerce solution globally through the BrainPower platform, enhancing smart shopping and automated checkout capabilities. Coal India said its subsidiary CIL Solar PV Limited has been dissolved following its strike-off by the Minister of Corporate Affairs under the Companies Act 2013. India cuts royalty rates on crude oil and natural gas production to boost the upstream energy sector. The move is positive state-run firms like ONGC and Oil India, with lower royalties on onshore crude, offshore crude and natural gas production. India raised import duties on gold and silver to 15% from May 13 to reduce imports amid global uncertainty, making jewellery and gold investments costly. Oil marketing companies hiked petrol and diesel prices by Rs 3 per litre and CNG by 2 rupees per kg from May 15th. Amid rising crude oil prices due to the West Asia crisis and Strait of Hormuz closure. That's all for this week's market roundup. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.